Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, in today's class, we are going to start lesson 4 Changes Around Us. First, we'll be watching the video, then, we will do the reading. Let's start.
Changes around us. There are so many changes taking place every day. Some changes occur by themselves. They are called natural changes. Some changes are made by humans. They are called human-made changes. Some natural changes. Phases of the moon. Full moon, crescent moon, half moon. Every night, the shape and size of the moon change. The different shapes of the moon are called phases of moon. Weather. Weather keeps changing every day. It may be hot, cold, rainy, windy or cloudy. Seasons. When the same type of weather continues for many days, it is called a season. Seasons keep changing throughout the year. Summer, winter and monsoon are the three main seasons of the year. Growth. An egg hatches into a nestling and then grows into a bird. A seed grows and changes into a seedling and then into a big plant. Human-made changes. We can change the shape, size and state of some materials. We can change the shape of different objects. When we blow air inside a balloon, its shape changes. We can change the size of different objects. When we cut a wooden block, its size becomes small. Some materials have a fixed shape and size. They are called solids. Wood, stone, book, ice. Some materials do not have a fixed shape and size. They take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. They are called liquids. Milk, water, juice.
Children, last lesson we have learned natural made things and human made things. Today we are going to start lesson 4, changes around us. Okay? Lesson 4, changes around us. Now we'll start the lesson, reading of the lesson. There are many changes taking place every day. Some changes occur, OCCUR, occur by themselves. They are called natural changes. Children, the changes that occur by themselves, by naturally they occur, they are called natural changes. Some changes are made by humans. They are called human-made changes. Okay, there are two types of changes. Like we have learned in last lesson, human-made things and natural things. Here we have natural changes and human-made changes. First, we are going to read about some natural changes. Phases, P-H-A-S-E-S, phases of the moon. Have you all seen a moon in the sky, children? Yes? Now you watch every day. Every day if you see, you will see that the moon changes its face. Okay, sometimes you see a full moon. Okay, full moon will be shining. Sometimes you see crescent moon. This is a crescent moon, children. C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent. What's the spelling of crescent? C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent moon. And sometimes we see half moon. So these are the phases of moon. These are natural changes. Okay, these changes are done by nature itself. Human beings will not change the shape of face of the moon. Okay, the face of the moon changes naturally. So that is why it is called natural changes. Here it's a full moon, crescent moon and half moon. Every night the shape and size of the moon changes. Okay, from today onwards, children, you just watch the moon, how it changes its shape. The different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. What do you call the different shapes of the moon? They are called phases of moon. Okay. Now next we are going to read about weather, children. We have already learnt about weather, no? Weather changes every day, day to day, from time to time. Here, weather keeps changing every day. It may be hot, cold, rainy, windy or cloudy. Look here, it is hot. So, the weather is hot here. The boy is drinking cool drink. Here the weather is cold. So, the boy is drinking hot tea or coffee or hot milk you can drink. And he is sitting beside the fire and wearing all woolen clothes to keep him warm. Next, here it is, the weather is rainy, children. The girl is holding an umbrella and wearing a raincoat. Here the weather is windy. The air is blowing very fast. See, all the leaves are falling from the trees. And the hair is also, the girl's hair is also blowing. Okay? So, weather changes every day. So this is a natural change, children. It is not a man-made change. We cannot change the weather. Weather is changed by itself. That is why it is a natural change. Phases of the moon is a natural change. Weather is a natural change. One more natural change is seasons. Come on, we are going to read about it. When the same type of weather continues for many days. Yes, we have learnt in lesson 1, children, no? When the same type of weather continues for many days, for 1 or 2 or 3 months, it is called a season. Seasons keep changing throughout the year. Summer, winter and monsoon are the 3 main seasons of the year. What are the 3 main seasons? Natural change is seasons also. Seasons are changed naturally. So the main important seasons are summer, winter and monsoon. This is the summer season. In summer season we like to swim, isn't it? Because it's very hot. So we'll go for swimming. In winter it's very cold. And in monsoon it is a rainy day. It's raining many times it rains. Okay, so that is a monsoon season. We use umbrella and we wear a raincoat. So these are the 3 important seasons that are changed naturally. These are natural changes, children. Next, growth. 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 An egg hatches. Hatches, hatches into a nestling and then grows into a bird. Okay. See, this is an egg, children. The egg hatches into a nestling. Nestling is a small baby bird, children. A small chick which cannot fly. Okay. It doesn't have feathers to fly. It's not ready to leave the nest. That's why it's called nestling. A small baby bird. Then slowly when it grows into a bird with feathers, then it can fly. It will become a bird to fly. So this is also a natural change, children. So we have learnt about how many natural changes, children? Till now 3. One is phases of the moon, then weather, then seasons, then next growth. Now next one more we are going to read about growth, children. A seed grows and changes into a seedling and then into a big plant. Even a seed, children, when you sow a seed in the soil and water the seed, and if you give sunlight to the seed, if the seed gets air, sunlight and water, it grows into a seedling. A small baby plant is called a seedling. And then this seedling will grows into a big plant. The process of growing is also, the changes in the process of growing of a plant is also a natural change. So understood children? Natural changes children? It's not done by human. It is being changed naturally. Now multiple choice questions. First one children. An egg first hatches into a nestling, bird or seedling. Yes, the egg hatches into a small baby bird, chick. So it's a nestling. It's also called nestling, small chick or baby bird. N-E-S-T, nest. L-I-N-G, ling, nestling. Second one. Which is the main season of the year, children? Windy. Windy is a windy season. Is windy a season or weather? It's a weather, children. Cold. How is cold a weather or a season? It's a weather. Then summer. Summer is a season. So you have to take summer. Which is the main season of the year? Summer. Now till here you have to do reading children. Okay? We have learned till here all. Children, we have done reading till here, but you don't have to read till here. You have to read only the first passage children. There are many changes taking place every day. From here till here, human made changes and natural changes. This much paragraph is more than enough for you to read. So you read it and send the audio recording of your reading in the group when the settings change. Okay, you have to do this activity also children. What difference do you observe in the sky at daytime and at night? What do you see in the sky during the daytime and at night? Write it here. Okay, like in the daytime you see the sun, you see the clouds, and at night we see stars, moon. All this you can write here in the blanks given. Okay, please do the activity and reading, and also watch the video carefully and understand the lesson children. Okay, thank you.